How to fix Valorant van error code 1067 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install all Windows updates. Your PC might be missing vital updates that can interfere with running the game. Ensuring that your computer is up to date allows for the latest compatibility and performance improvements. Some game features may require administrator privileges to run correctly. This action provides the game with the necessary permissions. Fix 3. Run Valorant in compatibility mode. Compatibility mode allows Valorant to run on settings best suited to older versions of Windows, helping to resolve potential conflicts. Fix 4. Check VGC service. Scroll down to locate the VGC service. If it's already running, right-click and select Restart. If it isn't running, double-click the service to open its properties. In the new window, under Startup Type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start and OK.